Let's learn about understanding point movements on a coordinate plane. If a point moves from -2, +3 to 4, +3, how many units did it move along the x-axis? So we're only caring about the x values of each one of these points. That's how much it moves across the x-axis. So what we can do here is find the difference between these 2 points, the x values of them, and then take the absolute value. So we have the absolute value of -2 minus a 4, close the absolute value. Well, that's the same thing as -2 plus a -4 with the absolute value. -2 plus a -4 is a -6. And the absolute value now of -6 is a +6. And so the point moves a +6 along the x-axis. We can also visualize this really quickly with a graph. We have x and y right here. Our point -2, 3 is like right here, -2, +3. And the other point is 4, right here, 4, +3. So that's 4, 3. So we see that distance on the x-axis right here, that's 6 units. So we're moving 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units total from one point to the other along the x-axis. I hope you learned something here about understanding point movements on a coordinate plane. And as always, thanks for watching.